I have my BeautyFIX by Dermstore box, so if you want to see what's inside, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's hanging out with me and Chloe's off doing her own thing, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, fashion, fun, all kinds of stuff like that. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It is totally free. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is a monthly beauty box, mostly skincare. I'm going to give you a little sneak peek. And it is all dermatologist recommended. Now, I did get this in exclusive beauty. I find that this has a little bit more leaning towards cruelty-free products than exclusive beauty does. So I did not get exclusive beauty this month. This I had already signed up for a year to get like a ridiculous, like, I don't know, $22 a month price. So the first thing, and this I think I actually am getting in FabFitFun. I'm pretty sure it's the same exact brand. This is by Herborian and it is the CC cream. They sent me 3 different shades. This is fair, medium, and bronze, and it is color corrector, light coverage. If I'm correct, if this is the same product, then it's going to go on white or come out white, and then it's going to color correct. So it's going to match your color. So I'm going to go in, I think I got the Fair from FabFitFun in a full size, but I'm going to go into this one. So that is the one I got from FabFitFun, and I'm pretty sure it was this brand. It's a cruelty-free brand. Okay, so there we go. I wish I had gotten this first. I would have known what shade and if I'd wanted this over the Brogio hair mask. Yes, so it goes on white. Then we're going to rub it in. And it does color correct. I got the Fair. I think I'm going to be happy with that one. I think this one is a little bit dark because I was back and forth. Although if it is a little too light, I can blend it now with one of these. All right, so in white, and I'm just going to put it on base. All right. So I think that's neat that they gave you the 3 different shades so that you could find a good match. Next, by a cruelty-free brand that is also, their brand is almost 100% vegan. However, they do have a few products with beeswax in it, but most of the other products they have, other than those with beeswax, are vegan. So cruelty-free and vegan, and that is Szechuan. And this is the Ocean Mist Volume Shampoo. Ooh, nice. Is the conditioner in here too? Now the full size of this is 250 milliliters and it sells for $37. This is 30 milliliters. So the price on this would be $4.44. And it says it adds volume and texture. I'm going to use this tonight. Ooh, it smells really nice. Next from Ameliorate is an exfoliating body mitt. So this brand is cruelty-free and PETA certified, and this typically retails for $14. And it's just like a little mitt. I'm not going to open it up because I'm not going to use it. Be honest, I probably won't use it. So I'm just going to set it aside for someone else. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just I use exfoliator, so I don't feel the need to have like an exfoliating mitt. And that's just one more thing in the shower that just ends up wet, and then I gotta wash it. And okay, we have a little something from La Roche-Posay. This is an SPF of 50. It's like a sunblock. This brand is not cruelty free. I'm going to put it aside for somebody who might enjoy it. Okay, next from Avene is their Hyaluron Active or Active B3 Renewal Firming Cream. I'll be right there. This brand is not cruelty-free because they do sell in mainland China. The full size of this of 50 milliliters is $42. This size here would retail for $5.88 because it is 7 milliliters. All right, and there is how it looks, and I'm just going to set that aside for someone else. I try to stay away from the products that are not cruelty. Next, by New Lasting, which is a cruelty-free brand, and I love this brand, is their leave-in primer for your hair. And this is full size. It is 5 ounces, and this is valued at $32. It's going to hydrate, detangle, tame frizz, enhance shine, reduce breakage, and protect hair for up to 450 degrees, which is higher than I would typically use anyway. So super excited. This is vegan, it's sulfate free and color safe. And then last we have by Dr. Loretta, and Dr. Loretta is Leaping Bunny certified. We have the Urban Antioxidant Sunscreen, and it has Indian ginseng, and I don't see an SPF value on here, but it has Indian ginseng to restore skin's vitality and protect from blue light. It has zinc, which is going to protect from UVA, UVB, and peptides for deep hydration. And this is a $55 value, and it looks like when I looked it up, it's a 40 SPF. So that's not bad. And most of our sunscreen we found that we've had like in bags and whatnot are all expired. So definitely in need of some new sunscreen. So, I mean, these two products alone more than pay for the box. And yeah, I'm really excited about some of these things. I'm glad I got to try the Herborian in different shades. And now I know that I did pick the right shade, and I'm super excited because I like how this is a little bit different than a concealer or a foundation in that it's going to seamlessly blend into your skin to color correct. All right, well, let me know your thoughts down below, and please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.